Want to upgrade your cosplay wig hairlines from this to this? Here's a really easy breakdown on how to do it. So for every hairline, there are 3 shapes of wefts you're going to want to make. The middle, the right, and the left pointing weft. So when you combine them together, they blend in naturally. But how many of each to make depends on your character. In my case, Rafayel has a center parting, so I would make equal amounts of left and right pointing wefts. But if say, for example, with a right side parting, you would make more left pointing wefts because there is more space on the left to cover. To make the weft itself, I highly recommend thinning scissors, but it can definitely still be done with regular scissors. You're going to take a small section of wefts, and for the middle pointing weft, with your scissors, cut the ends of the weft in a V shape. The thinner fibers at the end, the better. Then using glue and any sharp point, we're going to shape it into a point. For right pointing weft, you're going to only cut the left side this time, so the V is tilted to the right side. Repeat the same for the left pointing wefts, but cut only the right side. Then you should end up with something like this. I made about 5 middle wefts and 3 left and right pointing wefts, which was just nice for my hairline, but feel free to adjust it to your needs. And in part 2, I'll show you how to attach it onto your wig. Here's how to make a natural hairline for your cosplay wigs. In part 1, I show the different wefts you would need to make a hairline that blends naturally. And now that you have your wefts, is how to stick them onto your wig. Pin back all the wefts from the front and seam rip about 3 layers of weft from the wig hairline. My wig has the fake scalp parting, so I had to completely remove that. But if your wig does not have the fake scalp, you will only need to remove the wig hairline part. Using either skin-colored lace or felt, we are going to extend the front of the wig using glue, so that the wefts have something to stick on. Then starting from the hair parting, glue the first weft down and hold it until the glue is semi-dried. You can use pins as well to get it to lay as flat as possible. Repeat weft by weft until you're done. Make sure to finish pasting all the middle pointing wefts first before moving on to the right and the left pointing wefts. I also like to overlap the wefts a little bit so they will blend in more naturally. Once the glue is dried, you can cut off any excess lace or felt here, and then you can begin styling. Have fun!